We've got a 2003 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to show you how to change the tail light, remove it so you can change the bulbs. First thing you have to do is open the hatch. If you look inside the gutter here, there are two Phillips head screws. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. These are usually pretty easy to do. And the second one. Now these aren't the only things that hold this light in. There's usually a little clip. And you have to put a little pressure on it to get it out, and you have to know how to do it. There's a little trick to it. First thing I do, try to wiggle it. And we got lucky on this one. I just wiggled it and it came out. But if you look on the back side, there's this little pin here, and it slides into that hole there. So when it's in, if you wiggle it or you pull out on this end, it'll come out. And that was a pretty easy one. And then if you need a bulb, you basically unscrew to the left the socket. You can see there's several bulbs here. You unscrew that, and the same thing with the bulb itself. You hold the socket and you twist it, and then you look at the bulb, and there's little numbers. You can't see them too good in the position I'm in. There's little numbers on there, and it tells you what the number of the bulb replacement is. Or you can just take it to your auto supplier, and they will match it up for you. And basically you put it back the same way, click it in, put it back up and screw it in. The whole process should take less than 5 minutes. Joe Beer Master.